Sup, bro?
So, look at this thing I found in my attic today.
What's this? Give me a water bottle.
What was wrong with you? Why would you break that?
Okay, buddy, at least don't watch Breaking Bad.
Breaking Bad is the best TV show ever. What?
Who is this guy?
Mouth and fix my Viewmaster.
So I can't!
I'm actually gonna kill you. Go boil the toilet or something, buddy.
I don't even do that! Can't even play with toilets! Toilet portal activate! Oh, it's unlocked. Where am I?
Cost me $1. I'll send you a little jiggy.
What? What are you doing? I think we're toilet portal. Can't do this right now. Give a freaking toilet portal.
So no dollar?
Well, I know you from somewhere.
I don't know.
Okay, now we go into intermission.